Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Team Reid headquarters. It's been a few days. I think it's probably been something about a week or something since I've done my last video. But I thought I'd share what was going on today. I got one of those, well, the remaining parts car from the two that I got inside my shop today. And looking at it, I've decided that I'm going to keep this car. It's actually in decent shape. Somebody has actually rust-proofed the whole bottom, so it's covered in that oil. So every time you touch something, you're full of oil. But whatever, it preserved the car. So here's where we're at right now. Getting her all ripped apart. I'll probably have it ripped out of there today. Drink enough of that. That'll jumpstart any fucking engine pull. But here's some stuff we're keeping. Those 3/8 fans. A lot of people like them because they move a lot of air. I'm gonna keep one of them, just because of the engine that's going in there, which I'll explain a little bit later. Here's the junk pile. I don't know, I'll probably get the local scrapper here that can grab this shit and throw it in the garbage for me. But you can see it's in fairly decent shape. It's missing a door lock for some reason, I don't know why. It's got a little bit of rust back here, but that's nothing I can't handle. I'll probably just find a fender and cut the fender and then weld it back on. But I mean, have a look at this interior. The interior is in amazing shape. It's in really good shape. Like, this is going to be mine and Danielle's cruiser. It'll be the summertime, no racing, no nothing. There's the rest of the plastic parts that go with it. There'll be no racing. Obviously, I won't. Maybe I'll keep this just because it looks tacky as fuck. I mean, I don't know if he painted it with model paint, but whatever. Anyways, we're gonna keep it. We're gonna sits on 18-inch wheels. I'll probably put a 255 back here, 245 up front. Maybe cut a coil so it lowers it down, because I don't like how high it sits. Or I might just not cheap out and go get the actual springs so it sits properly. I do need to get a trunk for it. That trunk's fucked. Clearly, I can't fix that. There's just no way for me to fix that. I want to get rid of that goofy wing. I don't know why it's brown and so low, but we'll get rid of that. It's got a funky paint job on it. I don't know why, but it's you can see it's still in good shape. I just gotta fix a little bit here, a little here. Here's the driver's side. Look at the dummy did that too. Oh boy. But it's in decent shape. Airbags, everything works. It's clean. So I think this is gonna be a perfect cruiser. No racing, no nothing with this. You know, Mama and I want to go for a boot down, I don't know, say down to Sarnia or something for lunch, and we can do that. So you can see I'm making a fuck of a mess. But not very many people know what motor's going in it. I'm not going to quite let that out of the bag yet, but I will tell you it is staying Ford. It will have a Ford motor. It will have a Ford transmission. It'll be Ford front to back. It's not by any means replacing my race car. Nothing, and I mean nothing can replace that lady. I'm in love with her, so she's taking a nap for a little while. Hopefully race season goes comes out. If not, I mean, I think I've made the decision to just leave her. We got to fix the trunnion. We got to put the shock relocation kit in. There's some small things I want to do. I might just let her take the season off, fix everything I need, and then come out strong. So that'll give me time to work on this. I'm not going to be this isn't going to be done until at least next summer. But yeah, that's where we're at. So we'll see what happens. I'd like to share the motor with you. Like, I'm so excited. I want to share it with you. But maybe, you know what? Maybe I'll give you a sneak peek. What do you think? Should I give you a sneak peek? What do you think, mistress? Should we? Okay. We're going to put this in it. Obviously, it needs more parts, but this is a 2002 Ford SVT Lightning engine. It's got 2-valve P1 heads on it. It's going to have Mercury Marauder camshafts in it. But like I said, it's a long ways from being together. We're in no rush to do all this shit, so we're just going to take our time. So I'm very excited about this. Like I said, it'll be all Ford. It's getting a 4R70W, and I will be the one rebuilding that 4R70W. Eric Dirksen has decided to take on the task of teaching me how to rebuild transmissions. So this 4R70W that I pick up for this thing is essentially going to be the first transmission I've ever built. So I'm very excited. I'm ready to learn that. I've always been interested in transmissions, so I'm super excited. We'll see how it goes. So let me know what you think. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and smash that notification bell. You'll get a notification every time I pop another one of these videos up. If you're interested in watching them, cool. If not, scroll past it. I really don't care. Anywho, I'm going to get back to work. You guys have a good day. See you next time.